Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Concepts of Commerce, your virtual learning platform for all the concepts of commerce stream. My name is Deepshika Gandhi and the topic that I am taking for today's video is Functions of Human Resource Management. पिछले वीडियो में हमने डिस्कस किया था मीनिंग, डेफिनेशंस एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट, क्यों किसी भी कंपनी में ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट का होना जरूरी है एंड व्हाई इज इट इम्पोर्टेंट टू कंसीडर ह्यूमन रिसोर्स एज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट एसेट ऑफ एनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. इट वाज डिस्कस्ड इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो. अगर आपने वो वीडियो अभी तक नहीं देखा है, आई एम पेस्टिंग द लिंक ऑफ द सेम हियर अबव ऑन द स्क्रीन. You can click here and see that video as well, or you can go to the playlist under the channel Concepts of Commerce with the name of Human Resource Management. There also you can find the same video. Now in today's video, we are going to discuss what are the basic functions that are performed by human resource management in any organization so that the organizational objectives are met. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe so that you be notified about the latest videos whenever they are posted, because I keep on posting videos on a number of subjects from commerce stream, be it management accounting, financial accounting, cost accounting, macroeconomics, microeconomics, and many more. Also, I keep on sharing multiple choice questions from time to time on the channel under the community tab, which will help you a lot in very quick revision of the basic concepts that we discuss here on the channel. Now let's begin with today's video. So managerial functions. हम सभी ये जानते हैं कि human resource management is a part of general management in any organization. So जो भी काम general management करता है in any organization, like planning, organizing, controlling, and directing are also done by human resource management in the organization. And they are known as managerial functions of HRM. Let's discuss all the managerial functions one by one. After every function of HRM, I'll be sharing the study notes on the screen as well, which you can use in your exams. Planning, that means to plan ahead whatever you are going to do is very necessary. So planning एक बहुत ही important function होता है of management. Same applies to human resource management also. They have to plan ahead so as to achieve the objectives laid down. So what is to be planned by a human resource manager? A human resource management needs to plan regarding the vacancies that are going to arise in the organization in the coming time period. वो vacancy किसी भी reason से हो सकती है. For example, some person is on resign. So we know that that person will be leaving the organization in 1 or 2 months. So human resource management needs to plan ahead about the vacancies that we are going to have in the organization in the near time period. Or if we are starting any new department or any new branch of the organization, then also we should be planning beforehand about the vacancies that we are going to have in the future. Other than that, human resource manager or human resource management also needs to plan about the job descriptions. That means जिस पोस्ट के लिए आपको इंडिविजुअल हायर करना है, एम्प्लॉय हायर करना है, उस जॉब का डिस्क्रिप्शन क्या है. That means जिस इंडिविजुअल को आप हायर करेंगे उसे क्या एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिक्वायरमेंट्स ऑफ द जॉब. Organizing, that means designing and developing the organizational structure in the company. That simply means who will be whose subordinate, कौन किसका superior होगा, कौन किसे reporting करेगा, assigning the functions to individuals and post, कौन सी post पर क्या फंक्शन किया जाएगा, किसके पास कितनी अथॉरिटी होगी, किसकी कितनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होगी, हाउ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल स्ट्रक्चर विल लुक लाइक. ऑल दिस इज डिजाइन्ड by human resource management under the function of organizing. This function is also very important to avoid any confusion whenever we are working in the organization. Management में आप सबने पढ़ा होगा, if there is any confusion in the organizational structure, it can pose a serious threat to smooth working in the organization. If we don't have a clear organizational chart, then it can be a huge problem for the company. That is why it is imperative that organizing function is done very properly by the human resource management. Human resource management also needs to identify the needs of the employees and how these needs can be met. Because अगर आपका एम्प्लॉय मोटिवेटेड नहीं है, वो अच्छे से काम नहीं करता है, वो सिर्फ उतना ही काम करता है जितना उसकी सैलरी जस्टिफाई करने के लिए जरूरी है, और ही इज नॉट वर्किंग हैप्पीली विद योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, देन इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन टू अचीव success in the industry. So motivating the employees is a continuous process which should keep on going and going, because if one need is met, second need arises. Number of methods can be used by the human resource management, be it providing better infrastructure, better interpersonal relationships in the organization, providing better compensation plans, or designing some special schemes for the employees, working towards the incentive plans, etc. So directing is also one of the very important function of human resource management, because if the employees are not motivated, any function done until now is not going to help the organization completely. Controlling means to check कि जो हमने प्लान किया था क्या हम उसे अचीव कर पाए हैं. The objectives that were set in the beginning, are we able to achieve those objectives? So it includes appraisal, critical examining of the personnel in the organization. So this function is very, very important to check the success of human resource management as of now. क्योंकि अगर हमने जो प्लान किया था हम उसे अचीव नहीं कर पाते हैं, then the whole purpose of human resource management is defeated. So here we match the actual performance that we are being doing under the department with the plans made in advance, so as to check what are the variances in between, and after this step we again proceed to the planning. That is the first function of human resource management. That was all for today. I hope you liked today's video. Please like, share and comment. Do subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned in for the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Have a nice day.